More kanin? More kanin?
Yeah.
Use your forks. More kanin, Goy?
Sure.
Wait, excuse me.
Is that hot?
Hindi masyado. Blue lang. Ihaluin mo. Ayan. Dagdagan din natin kay Don Julio. Ubus na yung isda ni Don Julio ay. Tubig doon, oh. Yum, yum.
And we get some desserts.
Sure.
Yay!
Hindi ko may ano ka ba, ice cream.
No.
Ako sa mali mo?
Let me see what I'm gonna get.
No, wala. Gawa tayo.
Let me see. I want. What last month we made
Ice cream. Wala ka na palang ice cream. Naubos na pala.
Raisin's ice cream.
Ha?
Raisin's ice cream.
Yeah.
I want to make that dessert. He's gonna try it.
Higop sabaw, higop. Higopin mo.
Oh.
Higop, hinay.
Yum, 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 yum. I like the salmon. So wet.
Masarap. Tangigi man ata yan, baby.
Yeah. I know one.
Wow, si Don Julio, oh. Very good. You okay, Goy? Ayusin natin yung plato mo. Higupin mo muna yung sabaw. Nagprito si Mama.
I want Riley like ice cream.
Hmm?
Is that broken, Riley?
Yeah, nasira na yung
Who
damit ni
did
Mama.
it? Who did it?
Wala, nasira na siya sa kalumaan. Nasira na.
Who did it?
Wala. Wala na. Nabutas ng damit ni Mama, Goy. Kaluma.
Too much.
Too much?
Hmm?
Okay. CJ, help me CJ. O, higop sa baw dyan. O, higop. Higop.
You took my triangle chocolate. Triangle chocolate. And my pie.
Yan.
You took my orange pie.
No, wala man tayong pie.
The orange pie.
Orange pie.
You took it.
Huh?
I got orange pie.
No.
I'll show you. What's the orange pie?
Sige, Junior. Tubig, o.
Looks like a rubber.
Nawa na, nabusog na siguro ito si Agoy-Agoy. Nabusog na? Goy!
What?
Goy, wala, hindi mo na maglaro. Kain muna.
My orange pie. You just took my orange pie. And you took my orange pie.
Ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Okay, mamay, hanapin natin.
It's in the pie box.
Okay, hanapin natin.
It's in a pie box. You took it from me for school. It's supposed to be for school.
Ano man yun, be?
The squishy pie. Like this, right there. Like an orange pie.
Okay.
Like an orange pie. We make a popsicle
Sure, honey.
and like a this lunga popsicle.
Okay, honey.
We make a lunga popsicle
O, sige.
and put it in the bloomer and put it in the for it's gonna grow.
Sige na.
Okay.
Busog na si Don Julia. O dagdag pa.
It's back to that.
Wala, kunti na lang natira ni CJ. Ano, Goy? Bigay.
Like a pop, I'll do a rainbow. A pop like a rainbow. I'm gonna do a rainbow
Rainbow?
in the pot.
Anong rainbow pop? Rainbow pop, para pop, 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 pop.
Rainbow pop is like a pop, like this.
Rainbow pop, 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 pop.
Rainbow pop.
Rainbow pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay.
I want to make that. That's a cute dessert ever. Like in my my dump. Look. It's red. This is orange. This is yellow. This is green. This is purple. This is blue.
Ano ba si CJ? Oh, banat si
This is
CJ.
green. This is purple. And the rainbow.
Gusto nila yung ano.
Rainbow.
Anong rainbow? Yung tinulang isda.
Purple 1, green 2,
Higupin mo yung sabaw mo, baby.
orange 3, pink 14, and red yellow 16. That's 14 to eat.
Higupin mo sabaw. O yun, oh. Uy, go, hinay. Uy, hala. Uy, CJ! Naunsa man ka dong? Ayay ka.
That's sticky.
Ayay.
That is sticky. That's sticky.
That's okay. Okay, inom tubig.
You throw up?
No. no, giyabon niya. Ituwad ang plato. Sige lang. Si Junior ba? Ituwad ang plato. Basta sabaw. Wala na.
Let's take this off.
Ilagay mo yung towel.
Towel.
Please, towel.
Okay.
Ayan. Thank you, boy. Okay.
Here. Put the towel.
Thank you. Ayan. Very good. Very good si Junior. Busog na di tay. Busog na siya. Okay. Sitol muna, Bi, ha? Mabusog na sila mga kaibigan. Magbabay na.